In a big crackdown on gold smuggling, revenue intelligence officials have arrested a Kannada actor at Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru. Acting on intelligence, the officials intercepted sandalwood actor Ranya Rao at the airport, and on searching, over 14 kilograms of gold worth 12 crore rupees was found and confiscated. She has now been remanded to 14-day judicial custody. However, it is not so much her celebrity tag that has attracted attention, but being the daughter of a top IPS officer in the state that is leading to consternation. The sources are telling now government officials grew suspicious of Rania due to her frequent trips to Dubai. She had reportedly traveled to Dubai 4 times in just the last fortnight. She even tried to bypass the security checks before being arrested. Sources also say that celebrity had concealed gold in her clothes. On being frisked, the actor seemed to have told the revenue intelligence officials that she is the stepdaughter of an IPS officer. A constable was seen accompanying her, who was questioned and eventually released. Now, the focus of investigation is to check whether she was acting in individual capacity or is there a bigger scam behind it.
How did Ranya Rao, a senior IPS officer's daughter and a Kannada actress, come under the radar of DRI for smuggling gold? 4 trips in mere 15 days and officials smelled a rat. We are right now outside the residence of Ranya Rao, where she lived on rent, which costed around 4.5 lakh per month, and this is the mansion where she lived on the 3rd floor. Clearly, officials of DRI intercepted and arrested her at Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru for smuggling 14.8 kg gold worth rupees 12 crore. Also, for the information that she has been frequently visiting Dubai and have been involved into this smuggling. Also, the officials have seized around 2 crore worth jewelry and cash amounting to 2.6 crore. So clearly now officials are also investigating as to which network did Ranya Rao worked for. This has also shook the entire Kannada film industry.
Now, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence has also issued a statement saying that they searched Ranya Rao's Bengaluru residence after her arrest, and another set of gold jewelry like Pinky Rajpurohit was showing you, worth over 2 crores and cash close to rupees 3 crore were found. She has been charged under the provisions of Customs Act. Congress leaders are calling for strict action despite her influential background.
No, see, DGP's daughter is incidental. She is an accused. She indulged in smuggling activity. Law will take its course. Whether she is DGP's daughter or a common man's daughter or Chief Minister's daughter or Prime Minister's daughter. Law, it does not matter.
So the details emerging that
there is
being escorted out with the...
If there is any such official nexus, that will come out in the news.
So far, you've heard reactions coming in from the ministers of Karnataka saying that irrespective of what her antecedents are, action should be taken against Ranya Rao. And now we've got a Home Minister of Karnataka reacting to the whole situation.
What do you have to say on the issue? No, the investigation is on. DRI, they are investigating the case. Until and unless they come out up with the definite information, I won't be able to react to it. But yes, they are investigating. Let them complete their investigation.
So do you believe it's the work of a gang or she was doing it alone?
I don't know anything.
Some many feel that...
I'll be simply speculating if I have to say something.
So since she is a daughter of a senior IPS officer, a lot of questions around whether there are involvement of anybody from within the system. Would that be of concern?
I don't know. Because DRI is a central agency. If it was our police, then we would have known a lot of information.
There are reports that she misused the protocol also, sir.
That's what I'm saying. So all this has to be found out, and then I can come and react.
Sir, have you asked any report from your DGP on this entire episode?
Yeah, we did discuss, and until and unless that DRI completes the investigation, we cannot investigate again. Internally, yes. Internally, department, I asked them to look into it.